Before you start making efforts to improve your English, you must understand this thing. English is only a language, it is not a subject. Right from your childhood, with all other subjects like maths, physics, chemistry, biology and all other stuff, English was also taught to you like a subject but not a language. You know what? This is actually wrong. But unfortunately, that is how our education system is designed. So if you're a person who starts to improve your language skills, that is your English skills, like you won't straight away understand what is told in an American movie or in an Australian movie.
It doesn't matter who we are. What matters is our plan.
Because the accent would be so different. You would understand barely what they are saying, but not exactly. But on the other side, you would easily understand what I am speaking right now, because you and me are from the same country, which is India. So I have an Indian accent and which is easily understandable to you. Start watching movies and documentaries in English which are in the Indian accent, which would be a very beneficial thing for you. Just for the sake of learning English, you need not watch all the English movies out there. You would definitely have your set of preferences to watch a movie, right? For example, I like action and thriller films. You may like comedy, drama, romance and all those things. So why am I asking you to do this? It is because of three things. Number one, you would enjoy the movie. Number two, you would watch the movie with more involvement as it was your preference. And finally, you would make a lot of efforts to understand what is being shown and told in the movie. For example, I am a fan of Vijay. And I've already watched 90% of all his movies. And on the other side, when it comes to English movies, I'm a fan of Tom Hardy, Wayne Johnson, Tom Holland and a lot more people. So the point over here is that if you become a fan of someone, won't you try to be like them, make them as your role model, copy them and be inspired by them? You will, right? And on the other side, whatever they speak is also gonna get into your head. Like for example, if Vijay speaks a particular dialogue in his movie, won't that be registered in your head? And you would start using in your actual conversation as well. And guess what? The language is also gonna get into your head if you become a good fan of someone. If you're a person with a mindset that I will do only the right things, only correct things, perfect things, say bye-bye to learning. And on the other side, in the course of making mistakes, you are also afraid that what other people might think about you. If you make a mistake while speaking, ask yourself this question. Are you gonna stop improving yourself or stop doing what you're doing right now just because others are laughing at you? If most of what you see and most of what you hear is in your native language or your mother tongue, how do you expect yourself to speak well in English? There is no need for me to give a solution to this problem. You know what to do and you know what works best for you. If you are the kind of person who only reads the textbooks the school provides you or the college asks you to buy, forget speaking good English. Because those textbooks and all those materials are expected to give you some knowledge and make you write an exam, not learn a language. You might ask a question now, I'm reading English books only, no, then why? You are reading English books but for a subject, not a language. So what is the solution over here? Aren't there something in this world called storybooks or non-fiction or novels?